Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your picture icon on your users page using your Nintendo Switch. So you can see all my different pages here. I have Timmy's page, Ruby's page, Jim's page, and Rose's page. Well, we can change the icon on here very easily. Just simply select it with A. Then we can go to Profile in the upper left. And we have the option to change the name on this page. Just simply type in a new name and then press square or the plus icon. And then we can go over to the picture icon and we can edit this as well. We can press A on it. So I have Donkey Kong right here. It says character/me. So we can switch this to something else. So let's look through this list and just see what kind of pictures we have. Anything that stands out to you? Well, you can also go to where it says me if you want to go to that, but I'm just going to choose a default picture. Maybe Samus without the armor. And then we can go to the background. Maybe do something completely different. Let's go up here and go to a yellow. And then go to OK. Now we can go back. Let's go to the home screen. Now on the home screen, you can see it has changed on my user page. It says Timothy's page, and now it displays Samus. Looks like Rose's page already has Samus. So I might try to change this to a different character. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.